Hello, and welcome to our podcast. My name is Tom. I am your host today. We are here to learn English together. Today, we have a very interesting topic. We are speaking about artificial intelligence. People call it AI. Do you know what AI is? It is a smart technology. Computers use it to think. Of course, computers do not have brains. They use special programs instead. These programs help them learn new things. This topic is popular all over the world. Many people speak about it every day. Some people feel afraid of it. Other people are very happy about it. I want to explain this topic simply. This podcast is perfect for level A2. The words here are quite easy. You can understand everything. Please listen to my voice carefully. Try to catch the new words. We can start our journey. Technology is changing our life fast. It is important to know about it. Let us dive into the topic. Thank you for choosing this podcast. Sit back and enjoy the text. Let us look at the details. Let us define artificial intelligence together. Intelligence means the ability to think. Artificial means something made by humans. So, it is human-made smart technology. Normal machines only follow strict rules. A normal calculator can only do math. It cannot learn your favorite colors. It cannot talk to you like a friend. AI machines could do different things. They look at a lot of information. They find patterns in that information. Then, they make their own decisions. This process looks like human thinking. It is amazing to see. Scientists work on this every year. They create better and faster systems. Today, computers can recognize faces. They can understand different languages too. They can even translate your words. This happens in 1 second. It is like magic from the future, but it is just math and code. Smart people write these instructions. The computer follows them very quickly. That is the secret of AI. It is a powerful tool for everyone. We see it everywhere today. Let's discover more examples. You probably use it already. Look at your smartphone. It has a lot of AI inside. Do you use voice assistants? Their names are Siri or Google. You say a phrase to your phone. The phone understands your voice. It answers your questions immediately. It can tell you the weather forecast. This assistant uses AI to listen. Another example is your phone camera. You want to take a beautiful photo. The camera automatically adjusts the light. It finds the faces in the picture. It makes the colors look bright. That is also artificial intelligence working. Think about your favorite music apps. They suggest new songs every morning. How do they know your taste? The system analyzes your past choices. It remembers what you like. It selects similar music for you. Social media websites do the same thing. They show videos you like to watch. It keeps you online for hours. Smart maps also help you travel. They find the fastest way home. They see the traffic jams ahead. Our phones are truly intelligent. We live in a smart world. Let us check other areas. AI is not only in smartphones. It is also in modern houses. Some people have smart homes. You can speak to your living room. The lights turn on automatically. The house changes the temperature. It knows when you are at home. It can turn off the oven when you leave. This saves energy and money. It makes life comfortable for families. Robot vacuum cleaners are very popular too. They clean the floor alone. They remember the shape of the room. They do not hit the walls. This is a very useful machine. Now, let us think about modern cars. Some cars can drive themselves. They're called self-driving vehicles. They have special cameras around them. The AI sees the road clearly. It stops at the red light. It avoids accidents on the highway. This technology is still developing. It is not perfect yet. Sometimes it can make mistakes, but it gets better every day. In the future, driving will be different. Traveling will become much safer. It sounds like a sci-fi movie. Let's talk about its future. Many people discuss the future of AI. Is this technology good for us, or is it dangerous for humanity? There are two different opinions. First, let us see the good sides. AI helps doctors find diseases early. It saves lives in hospitals. It helps scientists study space. It does boring work for humans. People have more free time. That is a wonderful advantage. Second, let us look at the problems. Some people can lose their jobs. Smart machines can do their work cheaper. Writers, artists, and drivers worry about this. Another problem is safety. Sometimes programs can make wrong choices. Who is responsible for these mistakes? This is a difficult question. We must use technology wisely. We need strict rules for programmers. AI should help people, not replace them. Balance is the most important thing here. We must learn to live with machines. Education helps us adapt to changes. Learning English is a good step. You can read about technology yourself. Do not be afraid of progress. Just stay curious and informed. We are ready for the conclusion. We are at the end of our podcast. We learned a lot about artificial intelligence. We discussed phones, homes, and cars. You know the main definitions. Your English vocabulary is bigger today. You heard words like technology and intelligence. Practice makes perfect, my friends. You can listen to this audio again. Repetition helps your brain remember words. Feel free to share this with friends. Study every day for 15 minutes. Small steps bring big results. I'm very proud of your progress. Learning a language is a great journey. You did an excellent job today. Next time we will choose another topic. It will be interesting as well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening to Tom. Have a wonderful day ahead. Enjoy your English lessons. Stay positive and keep practicing. Believe in your own success. The world of knowledge is open for you. It is time to say goodbye. See you in the next episode. Goodbye, my dear students. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye for today. End of the audio track.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.